Hello friends, welcome to brand new tutorial of Learn Code with Sankalp. In today's tutorial, we have discussed about exception handling in Java. After watching this tutorial, definitely you can learn everything about exception handling. In today's date, interviewer favorite question will be the exception handling. So you can understand better concept of exception handling. For better understanding, I have created one slideshow. But before opening that slideshow, I have recommended to please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you can upgrade to upcoming videos. So let's open that slideshow. This is slideshow, guys. We have learning what is exception handling in Java. Okay. In one line definition of exception handling is the exception handling is the process of responding to unwanted and unexpected events when computer program runs. This is known as exception handling. Means our computer program runs in computer program the error will become or maximum value will be occurred or anything of that will be fetching the data will be not available, or that we have fetching that file but file will be not available, but we have fetching the array, but array is the size 5, but we have fetching the 6 size of array, then it will be array index out of exception will become. This is the exception handling. How we can avoid the exception? This is known as the exception handling, guys. Second slides will be that hierarchy of diagram of the exception handling. Firstly, we have object class. After object class child class will be throwable. After throwable, there will be two subclass, then like exception and then second will be error. In exception, we have the checked exception like IO or compile time exception. And second exception type subclass will be that unchecked exception. Unchecked exception like runtime or null pointer exception. So second type will be of throwable, child of the throwable is the error. Error will be two types like virtual machine error and assertion error. Okay, this is the hierarchy of basically exception handling, guys. This is very important. You can learn about hierarchy. What is the child class of the object class? What is the uh, parent class of the exception class? What is the parent class of the error class? This will be very important, guys. So you can understand better for this hierarchy. Okay, the second slide will be that type of exception. Basically, type of exception is basically what is the exception types. Means Java people will define the types of exception. Okay, then you will have to user defined exception and built-in exception. Like in built-in exception we have two types: checked exception and unchecked exception. In checked exception means we have to compiler will be indicate that this is checked exception. Unchecked exception will be it will be occur at runtime, and checked exception occur in the compile time. This is the difference between checked exception and unchecked exception. We have several checked exception and unchecked exception. We have write down that, means we have to summarize that. Checked exception like class not found exception, interpreter exception, IO exception, initialization exception, SQL exception, file not found exception. This is the checked exception. When compile time will be occur. Unchecked exception will be runtime occur, like arithmetic exception, class cast exception, null pointer exception, array index out of bound exception, array store exception, illegal tree set exception. This is the unchecked exception, guys. I hope you have understand the types of exception. Second, last slide will be let's start coding. We have not giving the only theory knowledge, guys. We have giving the practical knowledge, so you can understand better. So we have closing the slideshow and we have opening our Eclipse idea. Here you can create new project. Inside Java, we have create new project like exception link tutorial. Okay, and we have clicking on next and finish, click on finish. Okay, our project is created, guys. And here you can create one package like com dot with sankalpa dot exception handling. Okay, we have created the finish. means our package will be completed, guys. Then we have to create the class. Okay, firstly we have create main class here, like class name like except exception main. Okay, and inside exception main we have creating one main method. Okay, this is the main method, guys. After creating main method we have creating another class like exception demo class. Okay, inside that class we have writing some logic. So exception demo. Okay, and here we can create one method like public static void show. Okay, inside that method we have calling another method like say hello. Okay, we have created that method. We have creating that method. Inside that method we have to passing like firstly we have passing like unchecked exception now. So we have passing like printing the name. Okay, so here we can giving the name, here you can giving the null value, and here you can giving the string name. Okay, and we have trying to print that name like name dot to uppercase. Okay, and then we have to passing like here null means exception will be happen, but it is not identified a compiler. It is the runtime exception, means it is the unchecked exception. So we can here we can exception demo exception demo. Okay, and we have to ed dot ed dot you're calling show method. Okay, okay, then we have to run this code, trying to run this code. What is see what is happening. So we run a Java application. See guys, we have getting the error. So we have getting the null pointer exception error. Why we have passing here null. Okay, so we can see that here we can getting the error at main class. Here we can getting the error. After getting here that we have getting here we have getting the error, and after getting that we have to here in this line we have getting the error, and it will be null pointer exception error. What is the solution of that? We have using try catch. So we can here we can using the try catch block. Okay, so here we can right click and surrounded by try catch block. Okay, after that here we have not getting the error. Okay, we are printing that printing that um, name is null. Okay, and we have forget this double colon. Okay, and now we can run the code. Okay, we have getting the message. After that we have getting the error, means we have giving the message to the user. Okay, this is the unchecked exception, guys. but we have to another type like checked exception. So what is the checked exception? So we can learn that what is the checked exception. Here we can giving the like, here we can giving the, we have comment this, or we have comment this, okay, and here we can give the file reader, file reader is equal to new file reader, and here you can give the one file that will be not available in our machine. So we are giving the file.txt, okay, and after that we have to okay, and here you can, here you can getting that we have getting the checked exception, means here you can getting the checked exception, and to be the unhandled exception for type file not found exception. It will be Java will be indicating that if file no, file will be not available, then what happening? So you can handle that exception. So Java will be giving the error. So you can handle that exception. So it will be Java will be automatically suggest you can using the throws keyword or using the try catch block. So we have at intermediate level. So you can using the try catch block. Okay, we have up in the try catch block. Okay, this is the we have getting the try block, and after that we have getting the catch block. Okay, if file will be not available, then it will be coming to the catch block. Then file not available. Okay, we have saving this, and we have rerun our code. So see how it happening. Our saying that file will be not available. Okay, this code will be not here. This code will be here. Okay, we have run this. Okay, file will be not available. This will be the error, guys. This is the difference between checked exception and unchecked exception, guys. In next tutorial, we have learn about throws and throw keyword. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you can understand the concept of Java and web development. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye.